Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. I'll show you what this is a Quest pipe. It's gray in color. There's another version that's black. There was actually a class action lawsuit to replace all this because of some concerned flaw, but they're actually done with a lot of them are done with copper fittings, and sometimes they have a great big gray Quest fitting, which is a twist together. And I'll have to show you guys how that works if you ever have to take one apart and put it back together. But in reality, they were pretty good, and they are pretty good. And I know plumbers are going to go nuts about it, but I'm telling you, these things will take a freeze and come back, take a freeze and come back, take a freeze and come back. Now, this is Quest, and this is new Pex. I believe this would be Pex A. You notice it's just marginally bigger. Okay. This also will take a freeze and come back, the pipe itself. Now, I use brass fittings. This is actually from the mobile home manufacturer. This is a brass fitting from the mobile home manufacturer. A lot of plumbers, including master plumbers, they use plastic elbows and plastic, and all that works. Well, I honestly don't believe in them. I think they're cool and everything, and you save money, quite a lot of money, but I don't do that. So when I use, if I replace, by the way, if you go to put Pex onto Quest, Quest will need 2 crimp rings, and I don't use copper. I use stainless steel, and I can get 2 crimp rings on that barbed fitting that I might put that's connecting Pex into it or coupling up to it. So if you get ready to do that, Quest is still very acceptable. You wouldn't want to throw away everything. And again, I'm telling you, it's just a marginal difference in thickness. And I'm telling you, I've seen them where they're froze up, and what busted is the faucet or the toilet or something connected to this. This is the only issues I've ever seen with either one of these is that mice will go to chewing on these just for maybe this is cold or it's hot, and they chew on it, and then you end up with a leak in the middle of your living room floor, and you're like, how in the world did I get a leak there? There's no connection. It's straight pipe from bathroom to the kitchen. Well, they can chew on this just to get a flavor or something, and it will spray water. So I've had to fix a bunch of that. But Quest pipe. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.